Let's look at this question. If P, Q, R, S, T are the roots of the equation, whatever is the equation, then the absolute value of 1 minus P, 1 minus Q, 1 minus R, 1 minus S, 1 minus T is equal to. If P, Q, R, S, T are the roots of this equation is nothing but x minus P into x minus Q into x minus R into x minus S into x minus T. But we don't want this expression, we want 1 minus P, 1 minus Q, 1 minus R, 1 minus S, 1 minus T. So put x equal to 1. You would get 1 minus P into 1 minus Q, 1 minus R, 1 minus S, 1 minus T, which should lead you to this expression. Basically x has been replaced by 1 here. If x has been replaced by 1 here, we will get 1 minus 25 plus 245 minus 1175 plus 2754 minus 2520. Okay, x has been replaced by 1, so I get 245 plus 1, 245, so I get 221 from these three terms. From these two terms, how much do I get? 54 minus 75. I can't do it. So we'll take care of it later. 2700 minus 1100 plus 1600. 75 minus 54, so minus 21 minus 2520. So 200, 2520, not 250, 2520. 200 plus 1600, so 1800 minus 2520, or the final value minus 720. But this is not your answer because the question was what is the absolute value. So your final answer to the question will be 720.